Balik niya in weekend of everything that flies. Manibat niya ng Biyernes, February 16, hanggang naging Domingo, February 18, siksik ligliga na susulapong piyaglon, king 24th Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Fiesta, ang magaganap king New York City king Kapas Tarlac. Ganingal do pa mong mabiyano diwa rin sabla. Lakwas na ring mani mo ng pilot at crew, ami down pa mong orientation bang maging masalesi ang kulay, may selebrasyon. Formal nemang megumpisa ang fiesta king skydiving ng nuka rin, may patindayagya ang bandera na ng Pilipinas. Yabe naman yung panahon niya may kasulapo lang masamas din labing siya mga samping at mga regular hot air balloon. Ami aliwa-aliwa korti, kalupunan ng aso, tikri, dinosaur at taniwapa. Aparti pa kanini atin muna mga aliwa pang piyaglon, kalupunan ng aerobatics, international drone race, night aerobatics at pyrotechnics, apong night globe show. Malyari muna mang mag-second musical show, aayabangan balang alas 7 ining at Lungaldo Festival. Inya naman ding menalbe, mig-enjoy lang.
Actually, masaya ako po uling first time ko po kayong makanining event. First time ko pong manakit in real life hot air balloon na niya. Excited ko po kayong malyari kayong buong aldo ngayon. Kita po.
First time ko manood ng hot air balloon na festival. Dito po sa New Clark, nakaka-enjoy po. Marami pong mga nabibili na pagkain. And ma-enjoy nyo po, punta na po kayo dito.
Diyan maranon kayo may gising, mag-enjoy kayo marakamikit balon sa sinula po yan. Basta tingay lugar, okay, kasi a-accommodate na nga nga activities nga ng aldongan.
May itong pang memorable king PIHABF, ang mito ko ng kilubnaning atlong banwa pa uli na ng pandemya, hing pa magpalitan ng Aidu, hing adwang German National Aero Wolf at Susan Kadak. May itong yang piloto i-Wolf at isusan ng kayang crew o ng Nyening Aldo, halila pa ang peso lapo. 1976 pa niyang may kilala o nang may takutan niya kanita i-Wolf king tatang ng Susan. Inya may putut king karelang pamikalukod.
Yeah, and then we are married both. And then we are divorced. And then we find us again
in
16.
27.
Yeah, at 27. And now we have said we are now so old here. And what shall we do? We marry.
Yeah.
And I love the Philippines, the Philippine people, and the Philippine food. And
Everything.
Everything in the Philippines is lovely.
And it is warm. Yeah, in Germany it's cold now.
Akit naman na talagang kakaulan ng Wolf in kultura ng bangsa. King kayang pamanyulod barong, king karelang special day lakwas na labing siyam abanwane kiati.
To be one heart.
To be one heart.
And one soul.
And one soul.
From this day. Forward.
I have thought about that. A Formula suit from Germany, black tie or similar, or the Philippines original here. And I asked my friends here and they said, no, not black tie. Barong. Okay.
Okay, we have a barong. He has a barong.
I have a barong since some years and so we make it in the barong for the Philippines.
Samantala para karang visa pang tagal at sayang ticket at karang aliwa pang detalye detail king event, malyari kayong muntaking website balloonfiesta.ph. Ako, ingke kayong talasuyo. Liya na kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.